Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how much money you can actually make by raising 1,000 free-range chickens? Today, I'm breaking it all down for you: the costs, the process, and the potential profits. Let's see if this idea is worth your time and investment. Step 1. Initial investment. First, let's talk about the starting costs. To buy 1,000 chicks, a mix of male and female, you'll pay around $0.5 to $1 each, totaling $520. But chicks don't know how to eat right away, so you'll need to set up a brooding area. For 30 days, you'll keep the temperature stable. Most people use a diesel heater for this. Running 24/7, it'll cost about $11 per day, or $330 for the month. During this time, the chicks can't eat whole grains yet, so they'll need starter feed. Each chick eats about 0.1 lb daily. Over 30 days, that's 3,000 pounds of feed at $2.3 per lb, adding $690 to your total. Lastly, you'll need vaccines, which cost $0.7 per chick. For 1,000 chicks, that's $270. So, for the fur.